78% sold out na daw itong property na to. Pero bakit nga ba? Tara, check natin. This is Uptown Modern, here in Uptown Bonifacio, one of the fastest selling luxury developments in BGC right now. Pagdating mo pa lang dito, ramdam mo na agad yung premium lifestyle. Imagine, living sa gitna ng BGC near offices, malls, restaurants, cafes, and nightlife. Everything you need nandito na. Kaya, hindi nakakapagtaka kung bakit mabilis ma-sold out yung units dito. A lot of buyers are securing early habang may available pa. And as a property specialist from Mega World, masasabi ko talaga na isa ito sa magandang options for both end use and investment. So if you're looking for a property na may prime location, luxury feel, and strong value potential, this might be for you. Message me for available units, sample computation, and site viewing. Baka ito na yung next investment mo. Inquire now.